Hey guys, welcome to the inner game of communication. One of the important components of inner game of communication is being able to communicate with yourself. Yoga is a way to communicate with yourself. Today, I will talk about a couple of ways in which you can prevent injuries through yoga. First, you will have to understand the purpose of yoga. When you do yoga, you pause and take a deep inhale and exhale with every yoga posture. And that's unique to yoga. When you do kickboxing, you don't do this. Jab, inhale, exhale. Jab, inhale, exhale. Instead, you do something like this. Any sport you play, you're not being mindful about your body. And that's why it's easy to get injured. But with yoga, you're being mindful about your body. Every cell in your body is a living, breathing thing. With every inhale and exhale, between postures, you're taking a pause to be able to observe your body. In other words, every pose in yoga is a meditative pose. Take the time to listen to your body. Your body speaks to you. When there is pain, that's your body telling you to not screw it up. That's the key thing to learn about yoga. Yoga is knowing your body. It is knowing yourself. How often do you get caught up in the daily 9 to 5 routine and ignore the signs that the body has been communicating to you until it's too big to ignore? Then we rush to the doctor to find that we are already battling a disease that the body has always been communicating to you. You just never listened. When you do yoga, develop that muscle to listen to your body. When the body says stop, respect your body. There are many things that might come in the way from listening to your body. One of which is your ego. Let me tell you, there's nothing wrong with ego. In fact, you're probably not human if you don't have any ego. I have a big ego, and I do many things just to prove myself, and I catch myself. When you have ego doing yoga, you want to look good. So you push yourself beyond your limits, which can lead to injuries. But who cares? If you can't touch your toes, touch your knees. You know your body best. Honor it and let go of your ego. Another advantage of yoga is that anytime you have an undiagnosed injury playing a game, you will be able to diagnose it during yoga. In other words, yoga is like a stress tester for your body. Let's say you were playing tennis and you twisted your wrist, but you didn't notice the pain immediately. Now you do yoga. You're twisting, turning, stretching every part of your body in every direction possible. Now the wrist starts hurting and you think the pain is from yoga, but it is likely from the tennis game you played last weekend. You just uncovered the pain in yoga. In summary, here are 3 takeaways on how you can prevent injuries in yoga. Number 1, understand that yoga means understanding your body. So when your body asks you to stop, stop. Number 2, don't let ego come in the way of listening to your body. Number 3, if you feel an intense pain during a yoga session, you probably are already injured. Yoga merely helped you identify the injury. There are many teachers out there claiming to heal your body. Well, that's not yoga. That's called marketing and branding. Who better knows your body than yourself? Yoga is a way to empower you to take control of your own body. Thank you for listening. If you would like to try a free live yoga session with me, go to my website www.whoweare.io and send me a message with the subject line as yoga session, and I will get back to you within 12 hours. If you like this video, please share your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that YouTube algorithm can show this video to many others like you who might benefit.